for here.
What?
Hi guys. Oh, fry. I remember the last time I met Cynthia. How many months ago? Why you sad? Tell me why you sad. Are you happy with my brother? He just hooked up with his TV. This is to be sticky. Jesus started with prayer and up with prayer. Maybe get sleepy, so I'm gonna do fast before she wakes up. Prayer is oops. We are frying our chin chin, guys. As you can see, I think I got it a bit big. Ooh, I think so. I think I cut most of them big. You see the big ones here, but not that much. From the way I cloth, so I put in the fridge to fry it today.
Yeah, I'm watching my Paw Patrol. See guys, I'm watching my Paw Patrol. I don't want to help mommy.
Is that why you put my stuff down?
Yeah.
Is that why you pull it down?
Yes.
There you go. Mommy's already done. Go, okay?
I'm just watching my Paw Patrol.
There you go. Go and watch your Paw Patrol.
Mommy, Chase, let's move the feet. Chase, there's the meteor in the sky, the planet. Chase, it's the Paw Patrol, the mighty movie.
The chin chin is ready.
The chin is ready.
Nice, huh? To get cool.
What?
Yeah, the chin chin.
You mean Chichi?
See how it looks? I think so. There's some. Uh-oh. You're sad. Why are you sad? Huh? He's saying he's sad. Why are you sad? Come on, tell me. Come on. I haven't done my exercise for this is up to a week now. I keep eating. Well, I'm still breastfeeding though. I'm gonna eat. Why are you sad? What happened? Tell me. Why are you sad, Calvin?
Because it is me.
Hey, did I touch you?
Yeah.
You lying. You lying, Calvin.
No, I'm not lying.
You're not lying. Then what are you doing?